these are the first visuals on your screen right now of Rakulpreet Singh, who has reached her residence after being probed and questioned by the NCB today. She's been confronted by the media officials. She has reached her residence. Remember, Rakulpreet Singh has put the blame on Rhea Chakrabarti, stating that it was Rhea who had asked her to procure those drugs and keep her at her residence, completely putting on the blame on Rhea and not taking onus or responsibility of anything. So, Atul, we are getting in the first visuals of Rakulpreet Singh, who has reached her residence. But very interestingly, in her confessions made in front of the NCB, she has stated that she is not responsible of consuming drugs, but it was Rhea. She was doing it on behalf of Rhea.
Well, I would like to tell that when today the questioning was taking place of Rakulpreet Singh, she was confronted with the electronic evidences, which is the WhatsApp screen set, and she confessed that Rhea made her do all kinds of things. She was procuring drugs only for Rhea, and the drugs which was recovered by the NCB officers is of Rhea. So no doubt now Rhea is in big trouble, because this will be used as an evidence against Rhea, and it will be admissible before the court. The questioning which took place today and the statement which Rakulpreet Singh has given to NCB is it's kind of evidence, and it's a big evidence against Rhea, because the NCB has recorded a statement and it is admissible before court as an evidence. Second thing is that when he was being shown the chats about the WhatsApp group and about the social networking sites, she confessed that yes, this is her chat, and definitely Rhea was using her as a kinds of carrier. We can say the middle woman or the middleman, and she was procuring it for her. She was in touch with the drug peddler just because Rhea wanted her to procure drugs for the parties. So no doubt by this she also has become an accused, as well as the prosecution witnesses against the co-accused. So now in the coming days, there are possibilities that NCB officials will place her under arrest. She will play two roles: first, prosecution witnesses against the co-accused, and second, she will be also as an accused for purchasing the drugs. This is case of 15/2020, which is being looked by the Delhi NCB team, which is a team of KPS Malhotra, who is the Deputy Director Operation of NCB. Remember, as of now, there are only two cases in this case: 16/2020 and 15/2020. In 16/2020, they are also probing the commercial angle, but in 15/2020, they have not probed the commercial angle as of now. The commercial angle means the use of the drugs is high in the quantity. It means they were being then we can say that it's the kind of commercial activity. If you are taking it for only for consumption, then you are you will be held responsible for purchasing the contraband and consuming it. But if it's for the commercial activity, it means you are the drug peddler, because you are buying it from someone and selling it to someone.
So Atul, we'll wait and see how the NCB investigation and questioning proceeds further, because at this stage Rakulpreet Singh is confessing to the fact that the drugs found at her residence was for Rhea, and putting the responsibility of this entire drug syndicate on Rhea as well. Thank you so much, Atul, for getting us the latest. We'll slip into a very short break. On the other side, we'll continue to track all the latest developments coming in from NCB Mumbai. Stay tuned.